you don't know me. Shut up, you don't know me. Squeal like a pig when you pickpocket, pickpocket. I'm thinking about my false strap was coming back, time would turn back. God, fighting in words, I'm gonna let you fucking hurt. I mean, they both dance, what's coming in the too quicker. I'm in this stuff, but not it won't tell anybody. So I'm thinking to be my lab, but took a rabbit. And like a thing for who I am and shit. I below where they be, cause we cannot get back those lives. We just two thieves, understand. Love hates black shades in the other place. Mr. P.I.G. cause I fucking discovered